So this is the brand new Piko HO scale model of the Br152, the Deutsche Bundesbahn Era 6 livery. Piko have put a lot of effort into the individual parts, so you've got separately applied handrails, really nice 3D windscreen wipers there, which are a big part of the face of the loco, and then all the footsteps and the sanding filler ports down the side. They've also taken the opportunity to put in some features, so things like high beam lights, dimmed lights, got directional lighting there, cabin lights come on, and there's also the control panel lights there. The discs have got a nice printed brake disc on them, on the wheels. And you have a very nice mechanism. Very smooth and very quiet. So we'll turn the sound on. I think there's 28 functions.
Noch der Welle hier, Stellwerk 3.
Jo, Stellwerk 3, schönen guten Morgen, gut 15 Uhr.
Ja, moin Kollege. So, da fährt sie mal mit den zwei E-Mails hier nach Gleis 3. Schiebt er rein und dann meldet sich wieder bei mir.
Ja, die werden E-Mails nach 3, alles klar.
Ja, genau. Könnt ihr dann kommen von mir aus.
Micha, hast du mitgehört?
Ja, ich hab mitgehört.
Various operating sounds. Chaos wheel there, and rail joint sound. So it's a completely up-to-date representation of this locomotive. Previous models have dated from when this loco was new, back in the late 90s.